Welcome back to Sunshine Fortunes Education. If you are an Indian student planning to study in the UK or just curious about what life might be like there, you have come to the right place. Today, we are diving into the vibrant world of student life in the United Kingdom. From academic excellence to cultural exploration and everything in between. We'll cover what you need to know to not just survive but thrive in your UK adventure. Firstly, let's talk about academics. The UK is home to some of the world's most prestigious universities like Oxford, Cambridge, and Imperial College London. But it's not just the big names that make studying in the UK special. Here, you'll experience a teaching style that's both rigorous and deeply engaging. Class sizes are generally smaller, which means you will have the chance to interact closely with your professors. This encourages in depth discussions, critical thinking, and hands on learning. Plus, the industry relevant teaching ensures that what you learn is practical and applicable, which is a huge advantage when you graduate. After graduation, you have got some incredible opportunities waiting for you. Indian students can stay back in the UK for 2 years to gain valuable work experience, and if you're pursuing a PhD, that extends to 3 years. This is a golden opportunity to kickstart your career in a global hub of innovation and business. But studying in the UK isn't just about hitting the books, it's about experiencing everything this beautiful country has to offer. The UK is steeped in history and packed with breathtaking landscapes. Imagine spending your weekends hiking in the Scottish Highlands, relaxing in the Roman baths of Bath, or catching a West End show in London. Don't forget to make the most of your semester breaks too. The UK is perfectly situated for you to explore not just Britain but also Europe. You are just a quick flight away from Paris, Amsterdam, or Brussels. It's the perfect excuse to broaden your horizons and experience different cultures. Now, let's talk about something crucial, which is budgeting. Living in the UK can be expensive, but with the right approach, you can manage your finances like a pro. First, get familiar with all the student discounts available, from travel to groceries to entertainment. There are deals everywhere if you know where to look. As an international student, you are also allowed to work part time, which can help you earn some extra cash and gain work experience. Just make sure to balance work and study effectively. One of the best things about studying in the UK is the strong support network available to international students. Universities here have dedicated services to help you settle in, from academic support to personal well being. Do not hesitate to reach out to these resources, whether it's joining an international student community or seeking advice from academic counselors. These networks are here to help you thrive both academically and personally during your stay. Finally, let's not forget the infamous British weather. If there is one thing you need to prepare for, it's the unpredictable climate. You could start your day with sunshine, get caught in a downpour by lunchtime, and then be freezing by dinner. My advice: pack plenty of layers, always carry a sturdy umbrella, and embrace the weather as part of the UK experience. Most of the time, it's raining in the UK. Trust me, it adds a bit of adventure to your daily life. Moving to the UK for your studies is an exciting journey filled with endless opportunities, from academic excellence to rich cultural experiences and everything in between. The UK offers a student life that's both enriching and unforgettable. To make your transition smoother, I highly recommend attending the British Council's pre departure virtual briefing, which is also being conducted generally by different universities. These seminars are packed with essential information on visas, accommodation, and first hand experiences from alumni, all designed to help you hit the ground when you are in the UK. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Sunshine Fortunes Education for more tips and insights on studying abroad. Safe travels and here's to an amazing student life in the UK.